If you've ever managed a team that doesn't sit in an office, you know how quickly things can get complicated. Between different shifts, locations, and communication tools, things can get out of sync pretty fast. That's what Connecteam was built for. It's a mobile-first workforce management app made for deskless teams, those who are always on the go. With it, you can handle time tracking, scheduling, HR tasks, and team communication all in one spot. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how Connecteam brings structure, clarity, and efficiency to the daily operations of deskless teams. So, Connecteam creates a flawless system by organizing its features into 3 core sections, which they call hubs: the Operations Hub, Communications Hub, and HR and Skills Hub. Now, communication is often the biggest challenge for teams that don't share the same workspace. Connecteam aims to solve these roadblocks by centralizing everything into one streamlined system. Instead of having scattered messages on different apps, Connecteam brings all that communication under a single roof. This means managers can instantly share updates or important announcements, making sure everyone receives the same information at the same time. At the heart of the Communications Hub is their native chat feature. Employees can instantly share updates, photos, or files right from their mobile app. Another crucial part is the Updates feature. This allows team leads to make important announcements and, importantly, ensure they are actually seen on a social media-style feed. You can post company news, safety warnings, or policy changes to a central feed, which looks a bit like a social media feed, and then send them out to your team using push notifications. Building on that strong communication, what comes next is their Operations Hub. This section is all about managing and monitoring employee operations out on the ground. The platform's features are designed to solve the real, everyday challenges of running a deskless workforce. Let's take tracking work hours, for example, which often becomes a major pain point, especially for field teams. Connecteam looks to eliminate that hassle with a built-in time clock. This allows employees to easily clock in and out and record their work hours. It even includes location verification using GPS to ensure accurate payroll, helping to avoid time theft and removing the need for manual input. A really helpful aspect is that you can export those timesheets straight to top payroll providers like ADP and Paychex. And to help you stay on top of labor laws, they've included automated overtime calculations, break tracking, and even real-time alerts for compliance issues. Scheduling is another common bottleneck, and Connecteam works to avoid overlaps. Managers can assign shifts or tasks precisely, avoid conflicts by taking employee PTO and unavailability into account, and maintain fairness across their teams. They even have an AI-powered scheduling feature that can instantly assign shifts while considering availability, roles, fairness, qualifications, and other requirements with expert precision. And for those times when unexpected jobs or tasks come up, a feature called Quick Tasks allows supervisors to assign and track them instantly. Because every operational tool connects directly with the communication features, managers get a real-time overview of everything happening in their businesses. Now, in any organization, and especially one with a deskless workforce, employee engagement and HR tasks can become really tough challenges. This is exactly where Connecteam's HR and Skills Hub tries to make a real difference. Their Courses feature, for example, helps turn onboarding and upskilling into a continuous flow. The platform lets you track employee progress and offers ready-to-use mobile-friendly formats so employees can learn on the go. They also address employee engagement with recognition tools, like rewards and celebrations. This tackles one of the biggest issues in field teams, feeling unseen, by acknowledging milestones and contributions publicly. Time off management is another area that gets simplified. It replaces messy manual tracking with an automated, transparent system, which helps prevent scheduling clashes and unnecessary stress. Meanwhile, having organized access to key documents and a clear organizational chart gives everyone visibility into the company's structure. It reduces confusion and makes employees less dependent on HR for basic information, as everything is there in the app. And recently, Connecteam has taken a major leap forward by adding AI to its feature lineup. This includes features like the AI Agent, which lets employees get instant answers from in-app resources without having to search through manuals or documents. We already mentioned the AI-powered scheduling, which optimizes shifts automatically, but there's also an AI course creator that generates training content and quizzes in seconds. They also have file-to-form automation, which converts documents into ready-to-use digital forms. And smart voice input, which lets employees fill out forms or create tasks hands-free. On top of that, they have AI updates and translate, which ensures that messages reach teams in their preferred language. Now, Connecteam's mobile app gives both employees and managers everything they need right from their smartphones. It provides a full-featured mobile-first experience, which allows teams to track time, manage schedules, communicate instantly, and even handle HR tasks without ever needing a desktop. This means employees can stay connected, share updates in real time, and complete tasks efficiently no matter where they are. For businesses with deskless or frontline employees, this mobile-first approach is a huge benefit. From submitting reports to checking updates or managing schedules, everything happens seamlessly right in the palm of your hand. This helps operations stay smooth, allows communication to flow effortlessly, and keeps employees engaged and productive. Now, you might be thinking that with so many features, Connecteam must cost a lot. But when you look at their plans, you'll find there's something for everyone. They even offer a free plan for businesses with up to 10 users. Whether you're a small to mid-sized business or a larger one, it offers specific tiers with individual pricing. And you know, the best part is, Connecteam doesn't ask you to commit immediately. They give you a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. This lets you explore all the features at your own pace and really see how the platform works for your team before you have to make any decisions.
So based on its pricing and the free offerings, Connecteam seems to be a definite choice for small and mid-sized businesses. If you want to streamline your workforce management with one single platform, we'd say Connecteam is worth trying out. Check the link in the description to explore its features for yourself. Or you can do it right away by scanning this QR code. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching.